Imagine a place where power meets precision, where robustness is balanced with agility. Welcome to the heart of Cropilots Factory, our horsepower utility tractor production workshop. This is where we bring to life tractors that are not just machines, but partners in your farming journey. Our workshop is divided into two distinct lines, each dedicated to crafting medium horsepower tractors that are versatile, efficient, and perfectly suited for medium-sized plots and diverse tasks. On one line, we focus on precision and efficiency, ensuring that each tractor is meticulously built to perform exceptionally for various farming needs. On the other, we balance agility and power, creating tractors that are not just robust but also versatile, designed for efficiency and longevity. But the magic doesn't stop here. Just outside our production workshop, you'll find our semi-finished tractor storage area. Here, tractors wait for their next step in the journey: assembly and testing. This is where we ensure that every tractor that leaves our factory is not just a machine, but a testament to our commitment to quality and excellence. At Cropilots, we believe in creating tractors that are as unique as your farming needs. So, whether you're looking for a tractor that can handle the rigors of large-scale farming or a compact machine for your small farm, we have the expertise and the dedication to make it happen. Thank you for choosing Cropilots. We look forward to crafting a tractor that's as unique as your vision.